Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out the IKARE extra large camping cot here. Pull this thing out. This thing weighs 18 pounds. Oops, there's a little pillow there. Let's see if I can slide it out of here. All right. Says warranty card. Has this nice carry bag here. That is cool. So a little durable strap on there and everything. You can hold it. Okay, let's see here. Looks like this should just unfold. Just like that. Let's see. This pushes down. Those go down on the bottom. Just pull it out a little bit more, I guess. I think those just snap down into place. I don't want to force it right off the bat because sometimes you get some of these and they can be a little tricky, but it looks like just push it down there. It should snap into place. It's got the little bar there, so I think those just go in. Yeah, they do. Okay, that was easy. Just want to make sure. Yeah, so they'll just kind of, they have a little portion here that just kind of folds up and that just goes right into place there. Okay, so look at that, large size there. It says it holds up to 900 pounds. It's like super lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's 18 pounds, honestly. It's got these nice, lots of extra cross beams down here. We got quite a few of them. Look at that under there. So it seems really sturdy. Got this pretty burly material here. Comes with a little pillow. All right. Just put that down over here. Just like that. Let's kick back on this thing. Shall we? There we are. Well, it certainly seems rather sturdy. Oh yeah. Wow. That's quite comfortable. It's a good thick width too. Like other cots are like really narrow. This one's, I have the dimensions on there, but super nice and comfortable. It's like almost like a hammock. If you look under here, all that portion in here is just suspended. So this is all suspended in air and it's only touching basically around the outside here, and that gives it that nice kind of cushiony part there. But this is, had a couple cots before. We had some smaller ones. This is easily the most comfortable cot I've ever had. Nice width. You can get two people on here almost. Well, two people my size. This thing says up to 900 pounds. So yeah, look at this, guys. I got room for another person right here. For another me right here could fit, no problem. So I like how this actually comes up a little bit here. Has a little bit of a lift there. So it's not just flat. So you're not just like blah, but it's actually elevated a little bit. So it's even like a little bit more ergonomic, a little bit more comfortable there. Very nice. So whether you're crashing it at your friend's pad or you got somebody coming over, you can just throw this out real quick. And it's nice and comfortable for company. Looks like it'd be breathable underneath here on the bottom. Very thick and durable, sturdy material here. Let's see how to fold this thing up. Quite impressive though, very comfortable, I have to say. Let's see here. Wow, it says it's 18 pounds. This doesn't feel like 18 pounds to me. Maybe I read it wrong. This feels quite lightweight here. Maybe, let's see here. If I just pull up on the bottom portion first. This will unsnap, okay. And up here maybe. There we go. Push that down, lift that up. Okay, so I think I got those. So these kind of snap in. Oh, forgot to show you guys also a cool little pocket right over here too. So you can put your book in there, put your drink in there, your phone. That's going to keep it off the ground there. That's super cool. And look at this thing. Just collapses in nicely. I believe it has these little ties here so we can fold that in that way. Collapses really good there. And then just put our clasp around here. There we are. Put it in the bag here, see how that works. Nope, helps if I get it over the whole thing, right? Wow. And then we can just put on our little drawstring there. Keep that down. And there we have it. Just throw that over your shoulder if you're going camping. If you're going, oops, got a little pillow there too. Camping or just hanging out at the river. You could just use this almost like a bench or something. Like I said, it holds up to like 900 pounds, it says. I believe it. This thing is sturdy. Very nice cot here, my friends. Very comfortable. I'm quite impressed. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.